Hey fellow pips, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. Today you join me on the Jurassic coast, this 96-mile stretch of outcrops and rocky seascape glory. So after doing a quick recce, I sorted 3 locations, this being the first one, shooting east to west at Portland Bill Lighthouse. What I was after was a dramatic wave crunching wide angled shot of the Portland Bill Lighthouse. Now, as you can see, today's weather conditions are not the best for landscape and seascape photography. With those bright blue skies and real harsh shadows, it was just a nightmare. But as you know, in my mind's eye, I'd already got an image that I'd seen probably while I was sleeping, in the day or in the night, it don't really matter. I'm probably daydreaming about it and realised the shot that I wanted to get. So it didn't honestly matter. All I was after was good composition and a good exposure, whether I was exposing for the highlights or the shadows. And I think I got one of each. Did you see that? Spurred up and smacked me straight in the face. Look at me trying to be cool and collective like it didn't bother me. But it got me. Brilliant. Look at that. Oh man, them waves was amazing. Just keep in mind these rocks on the right as I venture by, because in the first shot I wanted to use these as a guide for the viewer to have as a leading line into Portland Bill itself. But yeah, once I hit location number 2, much more zoomed in shot, more compact, cropped, narrow shot of the lighthouse. Just hit, look at that. Oh man, them waves was amazing. But yeah, once I hit location number 2, I was going for a much more wide shot, a much more zoomed in shot, more compact, cropped, narrow shot of the lighthouse. Then location 3 gave me the opportunity just to shuffle up a little bit further, as I was already shooting at 24mm, which was the maximum of that lens I'd got on. And the only way to zoom in was, oh, look at that, location 3. Stunning. And the only way to get any nearer would be to walk forward. Now this is great because me and my nephew here, we're discussing the waves, and he's supposed to be looking out for me, looking for any waves that are going to crunch up and probably wet me. And you know what, he didn't say one. All he was doing was laughing. But what he didn't realise was the wind was blowing from east to west, and every time a wave cracked up and was about to hit me, the wind would catch it and blow it away. So I guess I had the last laugh on that. So please add your comments, add your likes, add your shares, and enjoy these 3 images taken at these 3 locations on Portland Bill. With that said and done, there's one thing left to do, guys. Get out and shoot. You know you want it. Till next time, keep clicking.